It's not about religion. You're gonna lose everything. These fuckers in the Illuminati are fucking with people's genes. They have been. They think it's fucking hilarious. Jared, it's just one gene. It's still my fucking kid. What you have done stealing people's genes is seriously super fucked up. Look at what else is on my Facebook that's so insane. The government has tech that we don't. Yes, that alters people's genes in 3 different ways. Oh God! Oh God! Apparatus for audibly communicating speech using the radio frequency hearing effect. They can speak through me. Also, EEG heterodyning. Did they do this to other people? Yes, other people's genes have been mixed around. They are mixing around people's genes, sequencing, distracting us with Trump and Elon while they level Gaza and Ukraine in the wake of Ukraine. And it, oh shit, yeah, now people think he's God. No, never ever. It's intelligence community using me as an experiment. Using me as an experiment. It's called voice to skull. A lot of people have this delusion. I believe, yeah, it could just be schizophrenia. All of this could be fake. Oh, but seriously, gene sequencing, EEG heterodyning, neural mapping, neurolinguistic programming. Go to trends.google.com and look up neurolinguistic programming at its height in 2004. Somehow the entire world is playing a Jew game because they own a lot of the media. A lot of it comes back to Ashkenazi this or Israeli-Palestinian conflict that. I don't understand this shit. If you're gonna blow each other up, then just blow each other up till you're dead or not. You're fighting over land or people that have died. I don't understand. I don't. But yeah, you're being God. Yeah, fuck you. Who are you talking to? Those are, like, it's intrusive thoughts that I can hear with a sense of humor, continuity, telling me the same thing over and over again, that my kids have been raped with radiation. Like, it's not possible. No, it's not, is it? It's not possible, is it? So I'm just freaking out. I'm just upset. So this is my insanity. I believe that the government is holding back a lot of what's called directed energy, the cure to 98% of disease. And Huntington's, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's will be a thing of the past. It's called neuromodulation. Somehow it's very, very precise and it works on a neural level. And you can just deactivate the pathway responsible for Huntington's or Parkinson's or Alzheimer's. Pathway or circuitry. It's crazy. And through EEG heterodyning, I think you can share senses because senses are somehow connected to brainwaves. And I don't know what else to say. I care a lot because I feel like my kids may have been raped. That's my insanity. I didn't know I had kids. And none of this makes sense to me if it helps anyone. But these thoughts are 24/7. I don't know schizophrenia, but I can be, when you talk to me, I can be as sane as you want me to be. I just have some out there beliefs. So if that's insanity, I guess it is. Insanity is. But thank you, Jew Game, and whoever's under Jeff Bezos and all of them. It's celebrities, it's business executives, it's government officials, but it's also, they connected every pedophile ring, even locally, up to one big pedophile ring, and it's worldwide, anywhere from 300,000 to 1.2 million people, but up to 32 million by extension from the governments, I think. Those that don't know, but the government is the Illuminati. That's just what they radiated into my head. So the radiation bypasses my ears and goes straight to my auditory cortex, which sounds insane. Look up, like I said, EEG heterodyning and DNA resonance frequencies. DNA has its own frequency. And if you change the frequency, you can change the DNA. And this is how they have bred, raped, trafficked, and murdered other people's kids. And the joke was from them, the voices I hear in my head, that they were going to check the protection of HIV by putting my genes. Yeah, we've switched your genes around so many times. Yeah, dude, you're all dead. If you fucking touched his genes, you're dead. They can change it with directed energy using the house as an antenna, everyone's home as an antenna for electromagnetic or ultrasound radiation. And this is how rent is so high and we don't question it, They program us, they docilize us, and they rape our kids. And they raped my kids just because they raped other people's kids. And they, through brainwave sharing, somehow the noise doesn't affect it. Or they can dampen the noise with ultrasound or amplify the brainwaves. All of this sounds so insane, so just bear with me. No, Jared. No, this is how the world has to find out. Is that them? Yes, that's when they interrupt me. That's what we're saying. The world has to find out this way that we raped your kids. And no one will ever what? We're just showing them what's you. Is it clear? Well, kind of. It sounds like well, sometimes I can hear what's them. Sometimes they say, dude, or they make noises and stuff. It's crazy. Anything you can do with an EEG, you can do with EEG heterodynamic. You can move eye muscles. They can move my feet. It's very scary, but it's not scary. They're telling me, they uploaded all of intelligence into me to try to make me, for some God, biblical prophecy, I don't know, like inverse God complex, either for science, some covert testing. They do a lot of human experimentation, intelligence does, that we do not know about. The CIA and NSA contractors use what's called the electronic brain link. And I could be very well insane. I've gotten meds. I've gone to psych ward after psych ward. The delusions don't go away. Even with meds, the intrusive thoughts don't go away. It's like a voice. They can talk through me, so it's other people, I think. It could just be me being possessed, which I guess is what a lot of you thought. Are you? No, I'm not okay. No, I'm not okay. No, I'm not okay. But I need one person. No, I'll be okay. Just fuck off. Everyone in the world, fuck off. They raped my dad's. Yeah, it's all genes. We moved everyone's around. We moved it. No, dude. In this simulation. Oh, it's just Gaza, right? Right, DOD. It's just Gaza. It's just a simulation. So after 3.5 years of schizophrenia, of telling him that you're gonna pick him up and help him, are they? Yeah. You've told him that for 3.5 years that you were gonna help him. No, that's not where they are. No, it's not. Have they taunted you for 3.5 years? Yes, the timeline is right for schizophrenia. I will say it was 26 when I started, which doesn't help me. But it sounded like a cathode ray tube starting up. Like when you cut up an old box TV. And it's been these signals and some stuff I can't explain. It felt like a bomb went off beside my head. And I'll get really dizzy, like Havana syndrome. And I don't think it's limited to just microwaves. I need friends in physics. If they're not doing this to you, you're onto something with how to share power and radiation, Jared. And amplifying brain waves, so we go to the afterlife, so we hit the metal, because we feel the energy from our brain, and that's what the Jews are holding over everyone's heads for years. They've had an afterlife, like San Junipero in Black Mirror, where the Illuminati can already pass through, and they do a lot of messed up shit there, like rape babies and all this messed up shit. Hell no, I'm not going to that metaverse. I'm not going. I'll go to the true heaven. Yep, if science thought they found God, they did not. They haven't told anyone, and this is how they want to tell everyone. What sounds sane? Oh my God, is he God? No, I'm very human, just superhuman, just super, human. And no, what else? Gold, what's it worth? I already said this, but we can synthesize the shit. So what's it worth? Is it spontaneously disappearing off the earth? No, it's not. Okay. So they talk back and forth with me. Yes, 24/7. The jader, the buzzer, the banger, the ringer, the taker, the walker. These are all trials and tribulations of neuromodulative abuse. Look up optogenetics, optoacoustics, acoustofluidics, BCI, BBI. Google OHCHR, directed energy weapon, for the patents. And yeah, there's something going on. Everyone knows but me, huh? Well, if that's you, I want you to kill yourself. Slowly but surely it will be. Seriously. Well, I guess not. So Facebook, don't take this off. Nobody killed himself. Sorry. They took one off. But you know how I feel. This is rough. How many thousand there? 300,000 or more.